Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can balance the loudness on your videos in CapCut. So in here, if you have more than one clips added to your CapCut, so each video might be have this different loudness, and here you can adjust the same, you can make it the same by following the step. So first you can add your videos and click on one of the videos. Swipe through the menu at the bottom until you find the volume options, and there will be this loudness adjustment option. For example, I'm going to make it louder a bit, and here the loudness adjustment can automatically adjust according to the loudness of the current clip to sound the same. So you can just click on this button now. Now all the clips are at the same loudness. Click on a check icon and that's it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.